We try to provide them as this campus is as an oasis to them, and we always tell them you have total freedom in this campus. You can go and you can work, you can play, you can do anything as a normal child. I have my two sons, as I treat them, I treat these children also the same way.
Kakuli Ghosh is a student at Calcutta Blind School and a patient at Calcutta Mercy Hospital. Her story reflects one of our proudest ongoing efforts in India, the struggle to prevent unnecessary blindness and expand the capability of Calcutta's blind children.
Good afternoon.
As part of their mission to provide healthcare to underprivileged people in India, doctors at Calcutta Mercy Hospital examine every child who enrolls in the school. As a result, they have identified children whose sight could be restored.
I examined all the children in the school, all the children who were in the blind school. I examined all of them to find out whether there was any way in which we could help these children regain vision.
Nowhere is the link stronger between poverty and blindness than in India, where malnutrition often leads to developmental cataracts, the main cause of childhood blindness.
In India, the magnitude of blindness is around 8 to 10 million, and 60% of these are due to cataracts. Now, cataracts, as we know, are curable and treatable.
The parents of Kakuli, they are so poor that they have no idea about the surgery. So the parents, they have to earn at least 4 to 5 years to save that money to get operation of their children. So this is very difficult, and this is impossible for a parents like them.
Despite the proven effectiveness of cataract surgery, poverty keeps the procedure out of reach of most Indian families. Calcutta Mercy Hospital arranged for the surgery to be performed free of cost to Kakuli and her family.
The day following Kakuli's surgery, when I went for the dressing and I opened her eye, I saw a smile on her face. And this was enough to tell me that she is seeing something more than what she was seeing before. And after cleaning her eye and, just making her look around for some time, I asked her, I said, tell me, what do you see? And she says, I can see the fan. And then I pointed out at a few things in the ward, and she says, I can see the cupboard. Then I asked her, I said, do you see your teacher? Kakuli, can you see your teacher? Then she says, yes. I said, what is she wearing? She said, she's wearing a red sari. So she could see all these things, and she was very pleased with what she was able to see. And so were all of us in the ward.
And we think our Kakuli, that Kakuli is coming up very nicely. And now our main concern is to transfer her from her braille education to the normal imprint education. So we will treat her as a normal child. And this will be a great success for us, that a child who was from a very poor background, a child who was living under poverty line, now when she came here and with the help of our blind school, she has come up to a level when she will be able to integrate it to the society, to the mainstream. Papan is totally blind. He will never will able to recover his vision because the doctor told that his both nerves are dried. And but Papan is very smart, though he is a blind child, but he's a very smart boy, and he is doing very fine. He can travel by himself to any part of a state. He can catch the bus, he can catch the train, and he's feeling comfortable.
Every morning, Bapan walks alone from his dormitory at the blind school to his classes at a regular school.
When I walk the road to go to school, I face many obstacles. The cars and buses and the traffic jams often make me late.
সুন্দর আইডিয়া
The pawn is a very intelligent student. What I like about him is his mental determination. I believe this will make him a great person one day. He enjoys studying history and would like to become a professor.
He should not feel that he cannot do anything. And in future, we believe that he is good in education. He is good in even in the games also. He can play cricket and he can do in the sports also.
अरे बापनदार मुखे लागছে রেডি
Can you describe to me how you know when to hit?
কখন তুমি বুঝতে পারো যে বলটাকে হিট করতে হবে
যখন বলটা আমাকে আসছে বলের ভিতরে সাউন্ড
When the ball is thrown, it makes a sound. As it gets closer, I can hear it approaching, and I know that I need to swing the bat.
And the children, those who are totally blind, we have a great plan for them because we want to help them to learn their living skill, like a poultry farm and also gardening and tailoring and the spice project. Because we want them to learn something that when they finish their education from this school, that they should go with a complete person. They must learn how to work and how to be self-supported and self-dependent. Because blindness is, we always encourage them that blindness is not a burden to anybody. They can do also as well as other people can do.
We are committed to providing free medical care and removing blindness through surgery for kids like these in and around Calcutta.